Alright, getting ready for the gym because life is too short to not put some effort into your look. Today is leg day, quad focused leg day at that. It's gonna be lots of fucking fun. My little get ready with me before the gym doesn't take me too long, probably takes me like 10 minutes. I don't do anything crazy. I just do some concealer and some blush and I call it a day. Cause it's just to look like I'm alive. So I've been using this sunscreen. It's clear sunscreen. Like, I usually don't wear sunscreen because I honestly hate the white cast. But I found this one and I was like, okay, fine. Now I don't have an excuse as to why I'm not using it. And it kind of helps give you, like, you know, like that sunscreen glow, which I do like from sunscreen because I have really dry skin. So I don't mind that. I'm just dropping shit. And then I do the Lancome Serum Concealer. I really like this concealer because it's like a serum, you know, hence the name. It's like hydrating, so that's also why I like it. I just do like a little bit under the brow to just like shape it a little bit more. Nothing too crazy. I don't really like try to like be perfect, but I've also been doing this forever, so I can do it pretty quickly. There is a technique. Just so I look a little bit alive. That's kind of why I do this. Yeah, don't wait until you're like 50 years old to like take care of yourself. Life is really short. You should put some love and care into yourself every single fucking day, no matter what people tell you. Like, taking care of yourself is not fucking shallow. What's shallow is people. People actually care about looks a lot. But you taking care of yourself isn't shallow. I mean, if it becomes like your whole personality and it's like depilating to like your mental health, might be time to do something about that. But putting a little self-love into yourself every single day is very important. Boom. Kind of just like turns into like skin like looking. I don't really care if it's like full coverage or anything. I really like these cream blushes from Fenty. I use this one a lot. It's called Riri. It's kind of like a cool berry color. I really like this one. And yeah, just put some color back into my face. That's the makeup. Don't do anything crazy. I just like find stuff that I like and that works for me, and I just stick to that. Now, I do my fucking hair. Because it's hair wash day, I will be putting in some oil as well. I've seen people use this. Don't really have anything to say about this yet. I don't know. Hair oils, I get it. They work, but you have to actually be consistent. And I'm like mildly consistent. That way, like, after I'm done working out, it's marinated enough, and then I wash my hair after the gym. Makes sense, right? Massage that in. Healthy scalp, healthy hair, or whatever. Try to get it, like, everywhere. I'm putting my hair up today because, for one, it's dirty, but for two, it's so hot at my gym. My hair ends up going up into a bun or a ponytail by the end of the workout. Not even, by like halfway through the workout. I'm like, okay, fuck. See, all these little steps like add up, you know? I just got this gel. I just needed some sort of fucking gel. It's aloe vera, like the main thing. Olive oil and aloe vera, I believe. Just some more nourishment. There's a lot of gels. Some of them have a lot of crap in them. I mean, this one has crap in it too, but it actually does something also. I'm gonna do the middle situations. Are irrelevant now. Oh. It's like a whole process to do this shit. And it's still gonna look a little bit mid. But yeah, hair gel just really ensures that this crap stays. Boom. That's how I get these little fucking tight hairstyles down. Takes a minute, but you know, I know this way it's gonna actually like stay down. But yeah, that's how I get ready for the gym because life is short and I want to fucking look cute. Okay? I want to take care of myself. I want to love myself. And this is how I do it. Just these little fucking things. I'm gonna change my top because I'm just a girl and it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. Alright. Ow! It's making a little Intra drink. Raw EAAs, blueberry kiwi. Amazing flavor, code infinity. Absolutely delicious. Creatine. I got this brand from Amazon. A lot of them are the same. I just decided to switch it up one day. Because sometimes you need to change things in your life, even if it's stuff that doesn't fucking matter. Okay, boom. Glutamine, also from Amazon. It's like a bulk thing. It was a pretty good deal. I think it was like $20. Maybe I'm tripping, but I think it was $20. And I've had it for like 3 months or something like that. I drink it every day. I make this every time I go to the gym. I drink it kind of like on the way. Sort of, like a few sips, and then I drink it like in the beginning of my workout for the most part. Yeah, the gym is like the highlight of my day. Life is too short to not take care of yourself and your body inside and out. That is why I work out. I try to take care of my temple. I have been sober now for over 3 years, and that was obviously a big fucking thing for taking care of my temple, but especially the gym and eating healthy is also just as fucking important. I can't imagine not working out. I can't imagine just like doing yoga or something. That doesn't make any sense to me personally for my goals and like the way that I want to look and the way that I want to feel. So this is how I absolutely just take care of myself through and through. Getting ready for the gym, whether it's mentally or literally physically, I like to try to take care of myself. I am going to get ready for the gym. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Like, I get the vibe of the whole Adam Sandler, thing, because I do those outfits sometimes too, but it's fucking hot. It's literally too hot to wear fucking anything inside of my gym right now. I'm gonna put like a t-shirt on, but it's gonna come off as soon as I walk in. I guarantee you. The pre-workout meal is definitely not any sort of little snacky snack. I used to do that shit, but it's, can you see that? 3 ounces of salmon, 150 grams of white rice. This actually makes me work out better. I know, fucking crazy, because I used to be one of the girls that would have like a rice cake with peanut butter or a bagel and a banana, and that is not good enough. That's not good enough. We need some fucking protein. Fish is really good, I feel like, before the gym, or even chicken. You could do steak. I mean, really, it doesn't fucking matter. Get some protein in and a carb. Not peanut butter. I get the snacky snack, but you can even have like your little snacky snack like during your workout. Life is too short to not have a snacky snack. I get these from Costco. I just bring like a couple with me. Probably eat one on the way. Like, if we're being for real, I eat one on the way and I eat 2 at the gym. Especially on leg days. Like upper body days, I don't really need this shit, but like leg days, girl. Because life is too short to not have a fucking snacky snack. Pack up all my shit, head to the gym, and get this amazing fucking workout going. Quad day. I got a new belt that I use on Sunday and knee sleeves, so my workouts are already double the fucking weight, which is like insane because I used to only just focus on mobility and getting like depth, but now that I have that foundation, I'm more comfortable using knee sleeves and now a belt because I know how to brace my core. If you don't know how to brace your fucking core, don't use a fucking belt. You need to build the foundation first. These are like crutches. They're crutches if you don't know what you're doing, but they help you if you already do know what you're doing, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna pack up my millions of fucking things and head to the gym and take care of this motherfucking temple and build these fucking legs because all I want is big legs. That's it. That's all I fucking want. Made it to the gym, showing up, and I see that our parking lot is not accessible because they're doing like asphalt on the road that you turn in. So I had to park up the fucking street at this baseball field. It's a 5-minute walk. It's not that fucking serious, but it's hot. And I'm mostly thinking about, I am going to hate the walk back to my car after. That's really what I'm thinking about. The walk there is fine, but the walk after, oh my god. Fuck. Anyways, I'll take my pre-workout because by the time I get there, it'll be doing something. But yeah, this is my go-to pre-workout right now. I might take more than 1 scoop, honestly. I feel like it's one of those days. I really like this one. It doesn't make me feel gross or itchy or anything weird. I also just like the Raw brand, C-Bum's brand, Code Infinity. Boom. I'm definitely doing 2 scoops now that I'm thinking about it. Oh, fun stuff. Shit. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Do we have to walk around the baseball field? No way. I think he's just doing extra things. Ugh, fuck. Where are my glasses? Okay. This doesn't mean we go home. This means we still go to the gym. I don't know. I think some people, they're like, oh, well, that happens. So that means I shouldn't go work out. Nah, you just stick to the plan. Do what you're supposed to do. Life's too short to be making excuses all the motherfucking time. You gotta do the things that you said you were gonna do. All right, I need to go walk.
So every leg day, I do a little bit of like 90/90 / hip mobility, just getting some blood flowing into my hips, because women, we have hip problems. We have complex hip joints. They expand, they grow as we age. Men are lucky. Another part of my warm-up is quad extensions, because this is a quad day. So I do quad extensions for the warm-up for the quad. Just get some blood flowing, and then we jump into pendulum squats. As you see, I do have my knee sleeves on, but I'm not using them yet because this is like a warm-up weight, not a real set, not a real working set. Gonna throw a little bit more weight on as we go. Sip my little drinkity drink and continue to warm up with this weight as well, because I don't want to use knee sleeves as a crutch, so I still try to push the weight that I know I can push without knee sleeves. Doing a plate with no knee sleeves is actually impressive for me. I didn't do this like 3 months ago, so here we fucking are. And then I do these. These are really fun to throw in as like a superset. They are called sissy squats, or I think there's other names for them, but that's what I know that they're called. And then I do another set, but again, notice the knee sleeves are not on. I don't want to use them as a crutch. And doing a plate and a 25, that's crazy. Like 3 months ago, I was not doing that. So I'm excited, all right? And now I'm going to put on the knee sleeves, and I put a little bit more weight on because I'm like, okay, I need some assistance, I need some help, but I'm still pushing to like 10 to 12 reps. I'm not being soft. I'm still doing the best that I can. I try to go till failure on the pendulum squat because it's like safe to fail on this thing. Like it just stops at the bottom. Like you're not going to get crushed. You're not going to get injured. You just have to get off and then move the weight if you can't dig it out. But here I am. I also put the belt on finally. As you see, I'm really taking my time putting on the belt and the knee sleeves. From there, I go to the Smith machine, and I'm doing basically like a hack squat variation on the Smith machine because my feet are a little bit more forward. I enjoy this more than our hack squat because I can't get low enough on our hack squat. It's just not built for short people. Not enough range for me, so I do this on the Smith machine, and again, no knee sleeves, and then I put the knee sleeves on when I feel like, okay, this is a good weight, but I still want to get more reps out of this because I'm not trying to use them as a crutch. And I love working out quads, and I want to just keep getting strong with quads. Here we are again. I just put the belt on. I did not have the belt or the knee sleeves on the entire time. I'm doing the best that I can without them. And this is the most weight I've ever pushed on a Smith machine or the pendulum, because the knee sleeves and the belt kind of help me have some like mental confidence. Most of my quad days, I also just end it with a drop set of quad extensions. For me personally, I enjoy feeling the burn at the end of the workout. This is just like a low intensity workout out of everything else that I'm doing, like the pendulum and the Smith machine. That fucked me up. So the quad extensions, it's like a nice way to end, but it's still an essential part of the workout because it's like the shortening exercise for the quads. So you don't want to do lengthening, you want to do shortening. And I love to end my quad days with this. So each set, I start out pretty heavy. Probably not heavy to some people, but for me, I started like 90 pounds or 100 pounds, and I do about 12 to 15 reps. Try to be as slow and controlled as I can, and then I move down in some weight, probably 20% down in weight. And again, I just try to go till failure. You are gonna look crazy doing these exercises. If you don't look like this, you're not actually pushing yourself. Last set, go till failure. You can't get injured. It's just a quad extension. And here I am pretending to be a wellness bodybuilder. That was the workout.
Alright, the workout is done, but now I have to fucking make this expedition back to my car. At least it's a beautiful day. At least it's not like fucking winter and I'm doing this shit. So we're blessed in that sense. Okay, that wasn't that bad. That was actually kind of refreshing. Luckily, it's a nice ass day today. So I need to go home. I need to fucking eat. I need to get some fucking water. I don't like the damn faucet water from the fucking fountain there. God, I can't think right now. Hopefully there's not traffic, but there probably is traffic. I haven't looked yet. But yeah, I'll see y'all back at the compound. That was one of those leg days where I came home, I ate, and I had to jump right in the shower. God, my eyeballs are dry now. I told y'all it was fucking hair wash day. Had to do it. I had to do it to him. Well, that's shit. That was the quad day. Exciting stuff. Very exciting stuff. I definitely am enjoying this little belt and knee sleeve situation now. I've talked a lot of crap about belts and knee sleeves for a long time, but that's just because like I feel like they are used too soon. So I just didn't want to be one of those people that use them and use them as a crutch. They are a tool, they are not a crutch. So now that I'm using it, I'm like sick. Like my the weight on my pendulum and my Smith machine squat is already like doubled almost basically. But yeah, exciting stuff. You know, all it really takes is doing the things you said you were gonna do and sticking to the plan, because life is too short to throw it away making a million fucking excuses as to why you're not doing the things that you said you wanted to do. For me, I realized I have to just focus on doing all the little things right. In the grand scheme of things, like I've done a lot of work and healing and growth and personal development, but like I just focus on like the small things because they add up. Like you being a better person is probably relative to like what you think being a better person is. So to me, it's just like me being the better version of myself is being sober, being healthy, doing stuff that makes me happy, like creating content. All these little daily habits that I do add up to that big vision of who I wanted to be. So I'm literally living the life that I wanted to be living when I first started this journey and was like, I'm gonna stop throwing my fucking life away. And that's really all it takes, is just doing all these little fucking things that a lot of people overlook. It all adds up. It's like the butterfly effect. All the little habits that you decide to like incorporate into your life are adding to this big vision, to this big picture. You just don't fucking know it yet until you get there to that point in your life and you're like, in hindsight, you're looking and you're like, damn, like I actually got hella far in life. What the fuck? That's why I love like documenting stuff like on social media and having like my phone with me and just taking videos here and there, because it's kind of just interesting to see like how far you've come and you don't even realize it. Like a lot can happen and a lot can change in literally like 6 months. You don't have to wait like years to see some sort of progress in your life, or your life can literally change fucking overnight as well. So it just depends how you go about your fucking days and what you put your energy and effort into. I put my energy and effort into things I care about because life is too short to waste your fucking energy doing stupid shit. That's kind of what my life is about right now. Doing stuff that makes me happy. That was the quad workout for the day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I definitely have plenty to edit and post. So y'all will be seeing me. Y'all will be sick of me. All right. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, bye.